Yo, it's your obvious fan here, Denon51. In this video, why I dislike Bluetooth headphones and earbuds. It will cut out every time, for me anyways. Wait a minute, pause. I'm just editing halfway through. My earbuds dropped on the floor. I got one recovered. I just don't know. Quite literally, a needle in a haystack. Well, that's gone forever. Unpause. They discontinued the headphone jack. Always charging the headphones and ear buds. Always. The battery was fine. Around about a month, they stopped charging it. The battery won't work, apparently. Anyway, guys, that's it for my rant. Please like, subscribe, and